guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to create this super easy nail art look. All you need for this look is just 4 different nail polishes, 1 black nail polish and a bobby pin to use as a dotting tool. Starting with a lilac color for my pinky, carefully painting 1 coat onto my nail. I will use lilac, blue, pink and yellow nail polishes for this look. Don't forget to go for this idea with your favorite colors. You can always mix and match the design looks you see in my nail art videos. You can click to this card right on top for more easy nail art looks. I post 3 new videos every week. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bobby pin in almost all of my nail art videos. If you haven't tried it before, just give it a try. All you have to do is making sure you get enough nail polish onto bobby pin and carefully dotting onto your nail. And that's it. I hope you like this super easy nail art design. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Love you and see you in my next video.